I get a little bit breathless, my thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
Good morning, this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and this is Friday, April the 30th, and this is a Mother's Day brunch collaboration, and this is put on by Domestic Diva. I will have the link to her channel below, and I'll have a link to the playlist itself below. So I hope we have a good turnout for this, but I am going to fix a brunch for Mother's Day, and as of today, Mother's Day's only 9 days away, so you better start thinking about it. I lost my mom. It had been a year this past Sunday, April the 25th, and so I don't have a mom to do this for, and for you teenagers or you older, girls or whatever out here, these are going to be ideas that you can fix for your mom for brunch on Mother's Day. So the first thing that I'm fixing is I'm frying some bacon, and I could have done this in my oven, but I don't know. I didn't. I've got a lot of stuff. I don't use my stove, so my stove tends to be the place that I stack everything in my kitchen, and so I had to have cleaned off a lot of stuff, and I said, well, I'm just going to fry it in my frying pan. And so I'm not sure how many pieces of bacon that I've got 13 to fry up, but I'm not exactly sure how many pieces of bacon I'll use in the recipe that I'm making for y'all today. But I just wanted to bring you in and tell you about this and show you that I am frying some bacon, and I will be making other things, and I'm going to bring y'all along and show you. And at the end, I'm going to have a big feast for Teresa. I'm going to let Teresa eat some of this. Of course, I'm going to eat some too. I mean, come on now. But we're going to see how this tastes, what I fix taste, and I will bring y'all back in a little while. Okay, y'all. All right. For those of you that have been watching me for a while, you know that I felt really, really intimidated about a pineapple, and I had never cut one up until maybe 6 months ago, maybe longer than that, but not very much longer than that. In all my 64 years, I had not cut up a pineapple, and I tried and I buy them, and I let them go bad because I would be so intimidated. Well, now I don't even pay any attention to it. All right, okay, all right, she's in here. She got it. All right, so anyway, for those of you that feel as intimidated as I do, let me show you how easy this is to do. I cut the top off. I put the top in a little thing, just for looks. All right, and now I'm going to cut the bottom off and try to get it straight, but I probably won't get it straight, but whatever. We'll see. Nope, it's not straight, but it'll be okay. All right, so I'm just going to go down the pineapple. You want to make sure that you get all these, see those little things right there? You want to make sure that you get all those off. And I never can until well, there, that was pretty good. I usually always have to go back and get them off and because I don't ever get them when I did the first time, so I'll have to go back and cut them off and all that. But I just wanted to show y'all. And this is going into a bowl of fruit that I'm doing for the brunch, Mother's Day brunch. Now I'm gonna have to, all right. Sometimes you can hit it pretty good, but then other times you gotta go back and cut them off. Especially down at the bottom. And I just try to get them all off. And then I'll show you what I do for the middle, because you know the middle's got that hard place in it. You can see right there, that's hard in there, so you have to try to get your, all right, that's enough. So what I'm gonna do is, let me raise y'all up some. And my will not stay up. All right, I'm going to, all right, now let me put all this in the trash right here. And I always keep my trash can right next to the table, so all I have to do is just scrape the stuff in here. Alright, so what I do is I'll just cut it this way on this side of the circle there. On this side, I'll cut it all the way down. Alright, and then I'll go on this side of it and cut it down like that. And then I'll just go around cutting down so I miss that piece of core or whatever you call it. I guess it's core. Yeah. Alright, so see, whoop, and that went right in the trash can. Good. So then I just like cut this up into pieces. And I always taste pieces of it because I absolutely love pineapple. I'm not, I'm not the best at cutting these up, and I usually always make a mess, but it's okay. And now I can cut them. They're so cheap right now, and I can cut them and have some where I used to only have pineapple out of the cans. So, all right, so in this bowl I have got bananas down in the bottom. I have a couple apples cut up, and then the pineapple, and I'm gonna cut some strawberries. As soon as I finish this pineapple, I'm gonna cut some strawberries, and then we're gonna get on to cooking the real things for the brunch. So I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to bring y'all back. I've got all the fruit cut up. All right, so I've got pineapples, strawberries, apples, and bananas in here. And now I'm getting ready to fix the pancake batter. And I'm doing this different from, I've never even seen the recipe for this, but my mom used to do it all the time when I was growing up. So what she did was she would fry bacon, and I just fried 13 pieces, and this is all but 2 pieces left over here, and I've got 1 piece right here. This is going in my batter pitcher or whatever. And I'm going to put the pancake batter in here. I've got Bisquick. I'm going to put 2 cups of Bisquick mix, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and then this bacon. And I'm going to mix this all up. I've got my griddle right there. I'm going to put it over here, and I'll bring you back when I get to that point, and we're going to fix some pancakes and eggs and hash browns and fruit, and that is going to be pancakes, eggs, hash browns, and fruit are going to be our Mother's Day brunch meal. So let me get this mess up and get the Bisquick together, and I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all. All right, so this is a Black & Decker griddle. I've never used it before. That's not what this is about. This video is about. This is about Mother's Day brunch, and I have got my, you can't see down in here really, but I've got my pancake batter in there, and I think you can see down there. See the bacon that's in there? It's got at least 10 pieces of bacon in there. All right, now I'm going to take my butter, and I'm just going to go like this. I have never done this before, y'all, so this is a first for me. Because I usually always make pancakes in a frying pan. I haven't done it in a griddle before, so I've got several griddles, but I think the only thing I've ever made is a steak and sandwich, a grilled cheese sandwich or something like that. All right, so I've got enough of that butter on here, and I have a 1/4 of a cup measurement. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to pour out the batter. I don't have enough room to show y'all. All right. I've got it on 300. It might not be high enough. Oh, it's got a lot of bacon in it. And I'm not, whoa. All right, let me see. I'm going to go on and cut this up to 350. Yeah, it's not, it melted the butter, but it's not cooking the pancakes too swift. So I'm going to let this get hotter and start frying, and I'll bring y'all back when I get ready to flip them. Okay, y'all. All right, so I think they're ready to flip over. Let's see. Oh, yeah, they're a little bit too done. And I love cooking. This is the first time this griddle's been used, so that may be why. All right, I got to get a plate to put them on. Do you see the bubbles? All right, so I'm going to go on. Like I said, I'm putting 1/4 of a cup of the batter. And, I mean, I could get more on here, but I'm just cooking 6 at a time. So I will bring y'all back when I get ready. I've got eggs to fix. I've got hash browns to fix. I'm getting behind in all this. All right, I'll bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, the pancakes are done, and they're under, I have like a dome thing that I've got them under, and then I've got hash browns. You know, you can get the patties or hash brown patties or whatever at Walmart. They come 10 to a pack. So I've got 5 of those in here, and now over here on my, well, I can't even get down to it now. Anyway, that's going to be, I'm going to cook my eggs in that, and I'm going to cook them in bacon grease, which is going to make them really, really good. And then I'm going to set the table, and I will be back, and we're going to eat. Okay, y'all, here is the Mother's Day brunch. We've got the pancakes with butter and syrup on them, hash brown with ketchup. The egg, I put a little piece of parsley in there for looks. Here is some buttercups. We put those there for looks too. And here is the fruit bowl. It's got pineapple, strawberries, bananas, and apples in it. And we are going to eat our brunch right now. All right. So let me taste these pancakes. Now, these are pancakes with bacon in them. I fried my bacon, then crumbled up the bacon, and you put it in the batter. All right, so let's see. I want to see if it tastes like my mom's, because I can remember my mom making them all the time. Mom didn't cook during the week because we went to school and she had to go to work, but she did cook on the weekends. Yes, you get that taste of the bacon right in there with your pancakes. Oh my gosh, it's so good, y'all. And then we've got scrambled eggs. And hash browns. And you can get these at Walmart. These are just, it comes with 10 in a little pack. And I air fried them. And here's the fruit. You can eat your fruit whenever you want to. Either before or while, whenever you want to eat it. But I hope you like this video. And don't forget to go below and look for Domestic Divas YouTube channel and go and visit her YouTube channel. And also look below for the link to the playlist for this collaboration. And if you're here to look at my channel, I hope you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also below there'll be links to different things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase at Amazon. And I hope that y'all have a wonderful Mother's Day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.